What is going on, guys? In today's video, I'm actually visiting an entrepreneur friend of mine. He's helped me through a lot of the struggles that come with entrepreneurship in general. I want to share a few of these points with you guys, and I think they'll help anyone trying to get into entrepreneurship. Alright guys, so here we are in Scottsdale, Arizona. Here's my entrepreneur friend. He's 22 years old. I'm 21. We're both pretty young. So my first question to him is, what lessons have you learned so far?
So far, just be patient, make calculated moves, be smart when things just feel a little rushed. Make sure you just take a step back, look up what you're wanting to do, and move forward and take action.
What tips would you give to approaching a mentor? Like, I know in the business world, like, it's hard to go at something alone. And I've had mentors, he's had mentors, so that's a really important step as far as starting a business and doing it the right way.
Whatever you're starting, whatever industry, just go and see who's doing it better. Approach them, and tell them that you want to learn from them and that you're wanting to start down the same path. Just be honest with them and just let them know. A lot of them are willing to help, especially if you're young and hungry. A lot of them will take you under their wing, and a lot of them will teach you, but also be very careful and make sure if you're actually inspired by somebody and you're looking at somebody in the same industry as you, look up their credentials, look up what they've done already, make sure that they're a reliable person.
This guy's been a huge influence to me, growing as a person in general, just being motivated, and he's taught me a lot about staying focused. So my next question is, what helps you stay focused when you're out there working on your own?
Enjoy the little successes, enjoy the little things. You may have a big dream, but you also got to enjoy the little things on the way up to your dream. And so whatever that may be, make sure that you're able to focus on what you need to get done today, move on to the next thing once you succeed that one little thing. So whether that be starting a course, that's one success. Get that course, start it. Once you finish a course and you've understood all the info, move on from there. Just take baby steps, and that's pretty much what I would say. It will get you a lot further and a lot quicker than if you get distracted by partying, by the wrong people.
I feel a lot of the times in entrepreneurship, people like to get ahead of themselves and they like to sort of rush into something without doing all the research, without knowing exactly what they're getting into, without doing the market analysis. And there's just a lot of factors that go into play when starting something. When do you know to be aggressive and when to be patient?
Once that opportunity presents itself, you can't really hold back. If you hold back, that opportunity may not be there tomorrow. When to be patient is when you're unsure, when you just follow your gut. If you feel like something's off, or you feel overwhelmed, or you feel just beyond stress, take a step back and be patient. Rome wasn't built in one day, and so patience is going to be your best friend. Knowing that, you're going to get so much further than just trying to look at your competition or looking at what other people around you are doing and being like, oh wow, he's gotten this far, or he's got this, he's got that. Well, don't look at them, just focus on yourself.
Now I know it looks like we're chilling pretty hard right here by the pool. It's sunny, it's beautiful outside, there's palm trees. But my last question to you is, what keeps you inspired when things get rough? Like when going is hard, when the business isn't going the way you thought it would be. What keeps you inspired to keep pushing forward?
Knowing that it's not going to last. Any rough season, any hard time, when money's short, when things are rough, it's temporary. Know that nothing's going to happen overnight. In a generation like ours, everything happens today. What keeps me inspired is knowing that I'm going to be helping so many other people and being able to take care of my family and being able to live the lifestyle that I've always wanted, to just ultimately leave my mark on this world at some point. So that's what keeps me motivated and inspired. And then also him, he keeps me inspired, keeps me motivated. You got to have people and best friends that support you, that care about you. You're going to make a lot more friends once you start down your entrepreneurship path and you get rid of all the negativity, all the bad people, and the ones that really stay with you. They'll enjoy all the success that you have. It's definitely going to be well worth it.
Well, bro, thank you so much.
Sure, bro.
Thanks for having me out here, dude.
Definitely.
It's been a dream. I've always looked up to him, and seeing him go against all odds, move away from where everything's comfortable, where everything is safe. He pushed himself to the limit. In my life, I know a few individuals that have achieved that, and that just makes me more inspired and more ready to go get it. So guys, if you're watching this, just know that whatever you want, it's out there and you can have it. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, leave a comment, and I will see you guys next time.